been asked to do a steak and chips, so that's what we're going to do. Especially for Angel. I'll give you the intro and then we'll get into it. So, I'm going to do a steak and chips my way. Use a nice piece of T-bone steak, but first thing we're going to do is the chips, and I do special chips where I parboil them and then I freeze them and then I cook them. So stage one is do the chips, so we'll do that. We've got the potato and we beat them. I'm not using the overhead cam for this bit. I will do when I do the next bit. Just for this one, it's not worth it. It's just peeling potatoes. Everybody knows what peeling potatoes look like. And they're going to be chunky chips. Okay, so as I say, they're going to be chunky chips. So we cut them as chunky chips. Right, so we put them on the gas, add some salt and leave them to parboil now, and I'll be back again when they're parboiled. Okay, so right, we're all ready now. So what we do now is we drain them and the lens steams up, not for long now. Okay, so there we go, they're all drained. So we've got nice cooked chips. Next thing we do alright, and next thing we do is we get a plastic bag from here, and I'm going to turn the camera off because I'm not going to, well, if it comes out, it comes out, it don't. So, right, so we get a plastic bag and we put our chips into the plastic bag. It's going to come out what's not, so I'll afterwards. So if you can see this, you can see it, right, you can't. I should have put the head cam on, but I'll have the head cam for later. So anyway, these are in here. Slightly overcooked packet. That's because that won't come. Okay, so we got our chips. Now they are now going in the freezer. Right, so we got our chips in a plastic bag, and they now go into the freezer until we're ready to cook them later on. So when we come back to doing the cooking, I will have my head cam on, I promise. And you get to see a lot more. One thought one would do is, before we do anything else, say hello guys. They're Georgie and Grace. We're going to do Georgie and Grace's dinner because they're hungry. So I think we need to do that first for them before I go any further. So we'll do Georgie and Grace's dinner, and I'm guessing that this is coming out because I haven't checked this one. As you can see, been a few changes around in the kitchen because we've got a different microwave. And anyway, so George and Gracie's dinner first of all. Now, poor little Georgie hasn't got many teeth because he's in the middle of getting rid of his puppy teeth and going to his biggie doggy teeth. So we have to give a little bit of water in Georgie's dinner first of all, just to moisten it up a little bit. Don't we, George? Because he's a growing lad, he gets a hell of a lot more than Gracie. But Gracie is actually on a diet. George is not, are you, George? Gracie, dinner. What I do is, you see, so Gracie doesn't feel left out. She gets a little bit of water as well. Gracie, come on in, dinner. Hey, George. Anyway, so it's Georgie and Gracie having the dinner. So George has got his. Grace, come on. Come on in, dinner. Here's a good girl. Here's a good girl. Gracie being the bitch that she is, will only do it when she's ready, won't you, eh? Usually when George is finished, now I finish his. So you can torment him. Whereas Georgie don't mess about, he gets stuck straight in. Okay, so anyway, that's that for the minute. And we'll progress with the dinner in a bit. Right. Okay, before we actually go on with the next stage of the cooking, I thought I'd show you the garden bar as it stands at the moment. As you can see, it's coming here. We're going to start doing that side soon. At the moment it's packed down a bit because with that side being open, the wind comes through there and knocks everything over. But we're getting there. So anyway, that's the garden bar as it stands at the moment. Anyway, back to the cooking in a few seconds. For me it'll be a few minutes, for you it'll be a millisecond. So anyway, what we're going to be doing is we're doing a nice bit of T-bone steak with double cooked chips, which means, as I showed you earlier at the beginning of this video, I've already cut them and boiled them. They're now in the freezer, they're frozen, and then they get just shallow fried in beef fat. So that'll be the first thing I actually cook, and then T-bone steaks, peppercorn sauce and spinach and tomatoes and mushrooms. So that's basically the meal. And so I'm going to go and put the head cam on now, move this camera around a bit. Let's see if we get a better view this time than we did last time. So fingers crossed on that one. So I'll catch you again in a bit. You'll need three spoonfuls for my peppercorn sauce of peppercorns. And quick look at the recipe. I'm trying a new recipe. This is not mine, I have to say. Tablespoons. One, two. I mean, all the recipes are basically the same. But this one, it uses brandy, which is why I fancy trying it. No other reason other than the fact it uses brandy is I fancy trying it. Anyway, they're ready to go in here. And we have the usual problem in that. Put them back there. Right, so we've got mushrooms. Everything is ready now. Probably don't need that. Cream is yet to go into the jug. Ah, Angel, you haven't reminded me. What do I need? I need tea, except today it's not tea, purely because it's very, very hot out. So I am having Coke with ice. So we put some ice in the jug. No, we don't put it in the jug at all, we put it in the glass. Alright, so we're having Coke and not tea, because it's hot here. Not as hot as it is in the Philippines, but it's nice. I'd rather be in the Philippines, it's better. But anyway, so Coke. Cheers. Right, so let's start with the chips. So, as I say, in there we've got the beef. A nice bit of beef fat in there. And what I'm also going to do is hot water. Ready for the spinach. Now, say what I normally say here, it's not, I would normally have the that one, but so we get that nice and hot. And in the freezer we have our chips. I don't want, I'm not cooking all of these. That'll be enough. Ah, balls. Usual problem with the bloody camera. Right, so that's all cooking away nicely. That's, as I say, that's in beef fat. Next thing we're going to do is going to cook our peppercorn sauce. So in here I have got some normal butter and some garlic butter. To this we're going to add our peppercorns. We're going to break them up a little bit. I'm not going to massively destroy them. And to this we're going to add onions, peppercorn. £100ml. Oh, lovely. Of, I'm actually using cognac rather than brandy, purely because I haven't got any brandy. £100ml of stock, good old beef stock. Come on. So how I'm going to do this? And finally, £60ml It's about 60ml, makes no odds. Right, so about 60ml of double cream. Okay, and let that reduce down so it's nice and thick and everything all gets cooked in. Well, next thing we're going to do is heat the griddle up with the steak. And we'll have a slug of Coke. Finish the bottle. This goes for recycling. Okay, this one comes off there. This one goes to the back. And another saucepan, another frying pan for the onions. And then the tomatoes and the mushrooms. Tomatoes are going to get done there. Right, okay, steak time. I'm not doing anything to the steak apart from putting it in the frying pan. Now then, Karina's one goes in a lot earlier than mine because Karina likes hers more well done than I do. Top oven on. Onions in. I'm taking all this in, Angel. Unfortunately, my chips are a disaster. Don't know what's happened there. Marking on. Gets ready out. That's if this one's even going to make it because of the chips. This one might end up on the cutting room floor. Right, it's not going to end up on the cutting room floor because it's going to go onto here. Let's see. I am trying out the narration. The worst of it is I was getting it down here, but I'm not now. I think I've worked that one out. I'll have to edit this little bit back out. So right, what I'm doing now is I'm just frying everything off, frying the onions off. Not much to see really. I don't know why I didn't edit this bit out. I might edit this bit out. The problem with cooking these sort of dishes is there's nothing much to see. Right, what I'm doing now is I'm just going to put these tomatoes and greens, steak into a dish and put that into the very low oven. I've got it set at 110 I think. In the top oven just to keep it warm without actually cooking. And I'll put the onions now into the griddle so that they soak up the nice steak juice. Cutting up some garlic butter now for the mushrooms. I'm just putting that in that oven there just to keep that a bit warm. Don't want it going cold, especially with steak. But I don't want it to cook because it is the steak. You don't want it to start cooking more. Was it start to go tough? Right, there's the mushrooms. And the mushrooms in a bit of garlic butter. There, the man said it. Carry frying off the onions in the lovely steak juice. It's amazing how much clatter goes on there, really. You don't notice it when you're actually doing it. Okay, there's the chips in the beef fat, beef dripping. Onions are just about ready by the looks of it. This is totally unscripted, I hope you realise that. Are you taking notes, Angel? The problem you've got, Angel, is to get hold of a steak out there. You've got to remember, a good steak has got to be at least 10 days hung. No good killed that morning and eaten that day. It has to be matured. So that's the onions going into the oven, just keep them warm. Mushrooms are still done nicely. I've actually got the pepper sauce on the back there. It is on a very, very low heat just to keep that ticking over. Right, time to put my steak in. My steak don't go in for long. It's nice and pink inside when I eat it. Just show it the heat. And that was very rare, very raw. Plate up the mushrooms. On goes the water, bring that to the boil for the spinach. I like to swap the two pans over because there's the spinach and onto the really hot high heat, because that here at the moment is quite a low. There we go, swap the pans over. Nice high heat. Leave it all to boil. Okay, and last but not least, spinach. You'll see the man's telling you. You have to be right to the water really boiling before you put the spinach in. I did actually shorten that so you didn't see it come to the boil. The thing about spinach is you think you got a lot of it. But trust me, once it starts to cook, because you don't actually cook it, you just actually put it into the boiling water. So you start with a whole bag of spinach and you end up with not a lot. There we go, it's all nicely cooked now. Add the secret ingredient in a minute, which I think the man's going to tell you in a second. And then we add, there you go, told you. Secret ingredient. A dash of balsamic vinegar. A good dash of it. Can add a little bit of Tabasco as well, I do sometimes. And that's it. That's it. I do want to take over the kick of the pepper sauce and the steak and everything. I'm saving the water. What we did was I used that to wash out all the pans then, and that all went towards the dogs and they loved it. But they had the last lot today because today's Sunday and this was going to be done on Thursday. It was a bit of a disappointment actually, the chips. I mean, trust me, they did taste lovely, but lookable, it wasn't good. It wasn't that presentable, but as I say, it tasted nice. It's only me and Karina. We're not gonna panic about it. Okay, so there we have it, and along with some, whatever that is, pepper nice steak dinner. Angel, just what you've asked me to do. And I will do the cocktails for you. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed that. If you get any more ideas, think you want me to cook, then give us a shout. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Please leave a comment if you didn't, or leave a comment anyway. And usual stuff, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.